Next is an output device. In the first part, we learn about the input devices. We all know that the input device is used to give an input to a computer in form of information. Now, output device is used to give us output in form of information, hard paper, etc. So, there are the following are the some of the important output devices used in a computer. First is a monitors. Second, graphic plotter. Third is a printer. Fourth, projector. Fifth, audio response system. Except of this, there are many output devices are available. First, monitors. So, monitors commonly called as a visual display unit. So, what is the full form of VDU? Visual display unit are the main output device of a computer. It forms images from the tiny dots called the pixels that are arranged in a rectangular form. The sharpness of the image depends upon the numbers of pixels. We know that the higher resolution means that are more pixels per each, resulting higher quality of image. More pixels then high quality of image. Images have a low resolution then have a lower image resolution. Lower pixel then lower resolution, and high pixel it means high quality of any image. Same as in a monitors. There are two kinds of viewing screen used for monitors. First is a cathode ray tube, which is a CRT. Full form of CRT is a cathode ray tube. Second is a flat panel display. Okay. First is a cathode ray tube. The CRT display is made up of small picture element called pixels. The smaller the pixels, the better of image clarity of resolution. But disadvantages of cathode ray tube is a large in a size. Power consumption is a very high. But in a today we use the flat panel display like our LCD TV, LED TV. They are in a less weight or hanged in a wall also. So flat panel display monitor. It uses LED means light emitting diodes, LCD liquid crystal devices. Now we use a flat panel monitor. Next is the printers. Printers is an output device which is used to print information on a paper. There are mainly two types of printers are available. First is the impact printer and second is a non-impact printer. Impact printers prints the character by striking them on the ribbon, which is then pressed on the paper. So for impact printers we use a ribbon and which is then pressed on the paper. These printers are of two types based on a printing capabilities. First is a character printer and second is a line printer. But impact printers are very noisy, useful for a bulk printing. It only useful for a bulk printing means large number of printing if required, then we use an impact printer. There is a physical contact with paper to produce an image. So in an impact printer there is a physical contact must be needed with a paper to produce image. For that, for a physical contact we use a ribbon. So there are two types of impact printer. First is a character printer and the second is a line printer. Character printers are the printers which prints one character at a same time. One character at a time to print a character, which is the character printers. These are further divided into two types: dot matrix printer and daisy wheel printers. First is a dot matrix printer in the market. One of the most popular printer is dot matrix printer. These printers are popular because of their ease of printing and economical price. It prints one character at the same time. This type of printer mostly seen in the banks, but its speed is low and poor quality. Next is a daisy wheel printer. It's called as a daisy wheel because one wheel inside the printer. So that's why this printer is called as a daisy wheel printer. Head is lying on a wheel and pins corresponding to a characters like petals of daisy means flower, which is why it's called a daisy wheel printer. These printers are generally used for a word processing in offices that require a few letters to be sent here and there with very nice quality, mostly used in office. So mainly daisy wheel printers are used for a word processing in offices. Daisy wheel printers are more expensive and noisy than the dot matrix printers. Now second is a line printer. Line printers are the printers which print one line at the same time. In a character printer prints one character at a time, but in a line printer prints one line at a time. There are two types in a line printers also. First is a drum printer and second is a chain printer. So drum printer, this printer is like a drum in a shape, hence it is called a drum printer. The surface of the drum is divided into a numbers of tracks. The total tracks are equal to the size of the paper. Next is a chain printer. In this printer, a chain of character sets is used and it is called as a chain printer. There is used a chain to print a character, so that's why it's called a chain printer. A standard character set may have a 48, 64 or 96 characters per chain. Now, non-impact printers. Impact printers using the ribbon to print the paper, but non-impact printers prints the character without touch the surface of page. It prints with the use of some lights or spraying, so that's why it's called a non-impact printer. First, non-impact printers prints the character without using the ribbon. This printer prints a complete page at a time. We know that the impact printer prints character at a time, prints line at the same time, but not whole page. So non-impact printer is useful to prints a complete page at the same time. Thus, they are also called as a page printer. Non-impact printers are also called as a page printers. These printers are two types. First is a laser printer and second is a inkjet printers. Laser printers that we use in a today's time. Mostly we use a laser printer. Next, here it is the laser printer. These are non-impact page printer. They use laser light to produce the dots needed to form the characters to be printed on a page, which we use in offices or home, and speed of this 5 to 24 page per minute. So speed of laser printers is printing a page 5 to 24 pages per minute. So it is a good quality. Next is the inkjet printers. Inkjet printers are non-impact character printers based on relatively new technology. They print character by spraying a small drops or ink onto a paper. Inkjet printers produce high quality output with presentable features. They make less noise because no hammering is done, and this have many styles of printing modes available. Color printing is also possible. Some models of inkjet printers can produce multiple copies of printing also, slow as compared to a laser printer. Basically, non-impact printers faster than impact printer, not noisy or a high quality printer. So mostly we use a non-impact printer like a laser printer. Next is a projector. We all know about the projector. Mainly it is used in a representation of projects we use in our schools. A projector is an output device that can take images generated by a computer or a Blu-ray player and reproduce them by projection onto a screen or onto a white screen, wall or another surface. In most cases, the surface projected onto its large, flat and lightly colored. So this is the image of projector. Next is a plotter. Plotter is used for vector graphics output to draw graphs, maps, blueprints of ships and building, etc. So mainly plotter is used to graph of building, print a graph of building, any flats or any sites images or a model of any construction. So that's why we use a plotter. Plotter is used as a pens of different colors for drawing. It is low output devices and more expensive. So there are some output devices which we used